Ta-ta!
For your safety, sugar cubes, please remain seated facing the center of your teacup at all times. Thank you.
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
Please remain fully seated with your doors closed until your teacup has come to a full and complete stop. Now that it has, please look down, gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit out towards the nearest green exit gate by the Alice in Wonderland attraction. Thank you.
Right, let's leave. Follow your mind.